Hello everyone. Today we'll compare GeneratePress and Nexter, are two popular WordPress themes for building websites in 2024. First things first, click the link in the description box to access both platforms. So let's jump right in. Let's start by looking at GeneratePress. GeneratePress is known for its lightweight design and flexibility. It offers a clean code base enhancing user experience and SEO. GeneratePress theme focuses on speed, usability, and accessibility. It offers a variety of customization options, page speed scores, and support. GeneratePress provides seamless integrations and is accessible to all. GeneratePress has also introduced the first-ever block-based theme builder and an extensive library of websites. In terms of pricing, GeneratePress offers a yearly plan priced at $59, which provides 1 year of access to all premium features, and a lifetime plan with one-time payment priced at $249, providing lifetime access to all features. Nexter, on the other hand, is a modern and feature-rich WordPress theme designed for real estate websites. It offers specialized features such as property listings, advanced search functionality, and customizable property detail pages, making it ideal for real estate agents, brokers, and agencies. Nexter includes various customization options for colors, fonts, and layouts, allowing users to create professional and visually stunning real estate websites tailored to their specific needs. In terms of pricing, Nexter offers annual plans, which includes a starter plan for $39, a professional for $79, and a studio plan for $169. Nexter also offers lifetime subscription. In summary, both platforms offer powerful features for building websites. GeneratePress may be preferable for users who prioritize performance optimization, simplicity, and flexibility. Meanwhile, Nexter may appeal to users specifically looking to build real estate websites, as it offers specialized features and design elements tailored to that industry. That's all for today. Simply click the link in the description below to choose between both platforms. Thank you for watching.